you think YouTube is recommending some videos because of they have a large number of subscribers or the channel has much more followings, you are completely wrong. Because before a channel will be pushed to the internet, a video must first go viral. And if that video actually gives people a reason to click, a reason to stay, and a reason to keep watching or probably come back to watch again, then YouTube will recommend that video to another more broader audience. If your video is stuck at low views, then this video is going to be divided into 8 parts that's going to be revealing different areas that's going to be showing how the system of YouTube actually works. And I would suggest you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and stay to the end of this particular video because this video is made for you. The YouTube algorithm is actually much more simpler than what people think it is. When you upload a video, YouTube actually shows it to a smaller audience, which I call the YouTube test audience. This can be some people of some amount of your subscribers, if you're a person that has subscribers, people that watch similar topic of your video, and people who are actually interested in that specific topic, like they are currently searching about that topic now. Then YouTube checks what they do, not what you are thinking about the video you created. Do they click? Do they watch? Do they stay to the end, or do they leave after some few seconds? These first things are actually what YouTube checks as a major reaction of the video. Part 2. What are the first things that YouTube check in every video? There are a few things that YouTube actually first of all look out in a video, and number 1 is the click-through rate, also known as the CTR. That means when YouTube actually shows your video to some people, how many people clicks on it from the people that it's actually shown to. Like for example, like it was shown to about 100 people. How many percent of the people that saw it actually click on it? If nobody clicks on it, it simply tells YouTube that your video is not well packaged and attractive enough. And that simply means one thing: your thumbnail or your title, one of these things is weak. The particular saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," is not included here because the cover of your video is actually what will make it. How beautiful the cover is what will actually make your video rank faster. And the second big factor is your watch time. People actually come up with the mentality that, oh, longer videos equals bigger money in this platform, and so they actually spend time creating longer videos. I'm not against that fact, but what YouTube is actually checking is not how long your video is. YouTube checks how long people stay on that particular video. You post a video of about 30 minutes and then people are watching for only 2 seconds. Don't think the video is going to go viral. Which takes us to the next part of this particular video: retention keeping. Now, this is where many creators lose. Audience retention is key. How much of your video are people watching? Because if people leave in the first 5 seconds of your video, first 30 seconds of your video, YouTube will start slowing down the reach. And that's why your opening matters more than every other thing in a video. If your intro is boring, like all this your "hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, subscribe," and like those things, you are giving people a reason to leave. And to correct that particular area, you can start your videos with a shock, a tension, quick question, something that makes people think, a painful truth, more especially on a short video. And 2 words I've discovered is like, let me say something like "wait" or "what." Those kind of action words, they are what keeps people on a video. Part 4: why are some smaller channels going viral on the first 1 month, first 1 week, and first 3 days? YouTube does not care if your channel is big. It actually cares if your video performs well. That's the simple reason you can see smaller channels actually explode, and then you see people will come on there and they will tell you, "I've done it again in 7 days, 7 million views, 7 million subscribers in 7 days." All those things are because YouTube doesn't care about if your channel is small. If a small channel actually posts video that gets strong clicks, stronger watch hours, strong retention, and good engagement, YouTube will expand it to a smaller audience, to a bigger audience, more bigger, and a most bigger audience, and then you see a small video that will just come up to them, and then you see that the channel is actually doing well. The thumbnail, the retention, and the watch hour is good. Now, what happens when a big channel actually makes the same mistake? You can see a channel actually have some number of millions of subscribers, and then they check in their video. You're still going to be getting about some videos that's having less than a 1k views, less than 2k views. Meanwhile, in their subscriber count, they are big. The reason is because they failed this principle that we just discussed so far now. Part 5: YouTube matches your video to the right people. What topic that they are currently clicking consistently, what they search for, and what type of content they keep watching. So if your videos actually fit into a niche, then YouTube will know where to place it. But if your content is just random, one day psychology post, the next day is a church clip, scary stories, and then you move to finance, YouTube will get confused. And when YouTube gets confused, your reach will start being reduced. Your growth will slow down because YouTube doesn't know who your audience are. And in this part 6, we're going to be looking at the biggest mistakes that creators do make in their beginning journey. Because most small creators actually think the algorithm is against them, not knowing that the algorithm is not against them, but their packaging is against YouTube standard. A bad title, a weak thumbnail, a slow intro, your first 30 seconds is poor. That's what kills a video. A good video with bad packaging dies, and a decent video with amazing packaging actually wins. That's why your thumbnail and your title matters before your content gets a chance. Because if nobody clicks, nobody sees how good the video is. YouTube is a platform that actually pays people to produce content, not just to flood the platform, but to keep people longer on the platform. So the algorithm asks, do your video actually make people click? Did it keep people on the platform for long? If your video is actually long and keeps people longer, it's gonna go more viral than a short video that keeps people longer. But if your video is short, keeps people to the end, and yet you have another person has a longer video that doesn't keep people to the end, YouTube is gonna recommend the short one because its goal is to keep people longer than before. So your major goal before creating or publishing a video should be on clicking, watching, and satisfaction. To get people to click, get them to watch longer, and get them satisfied. These three things is the major formula that you should have in mind. So now if you want YouTube to recommend your videos more often, use strong titles that creates curiosity. Make high CTR thumbnails that grabs attention. Start with a powerful hook in the first few seconds of the video. Remove long intros. Keep your pacing fast. Stay in one niche and make videos that make people feel like they want to come back again to watch. Because YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards performance. So if your video is not just getting views, don't blame the algorithm. Study your thumbnail, your title, your hook, and the retention. Because once people clicks and stays, YouTube will start doing the promotion for you. So from the list of things I've actually stated in this video, what do you think actually hurts creators the most? Drop it down in the comment section. Subscribe, like, and share this video for more.